motion in arrest of judgment and for new trial filed by defendant. Mr. Stern appears personally. He's with his attorney, Stephen Hodge. The state appears by Assistant County Attorney Bridget Barnes. The state has filed a resistance. I have reviewed the motion and the resistance. Now is the opportunity for the council, for each side to present their arguments. I should also note defendant is also represented by Ms. Sampson Brown.
It is our belief that Mr. Stern is entitled to a new trial for at least two reasons that the court committed error in the trial. First, on our motion to suppress his statements that he made, we feel they were not voluntary or knowingly made, and the court erred in not suppressing the statements that he made at the time of his interrogation. There were also specific allegations as to particular photos that were produced at trial, which were entirely not probative, and they were highly prejudicial to the state or to the defendant, and we feel that that was error for the court also. Those two specific instances, but for the purposes of the record, not limited to those two specific purposes, we believe that there was error made by the court, and therefore a new trial should have been granted.
Of fact and conclusions of law are set forth in detail in my ruling on the motion to suppress. I've heard no new arguments here today that would cause me to believe that the ruling was incorrect as a matter of law. With regard to the crime scene photos, we made an ample record regarding those photos. The defense had an opportunity to make objections. The state offered evidence and argument as to why the crime scene photos were being offered and the evidentiary purpose. I exercised discretion by going through those photographs very carefully and only allowing those that I believed had evidentiary value.